Strong and gusty trade winds across the state today made for some dangerous conditions. Firefighters were called to a home on Manoa Road after neighbors reported seeing a portion of the roof come loose. Fire officials say a 20 by 30-foot section peeled off just after 2 this afternoon.
Basically what we did was cut off the section that was peeled off and brought it down so it doesn't keep blowing and damage the neighbor's property. Then we nailed down the area immediately around the flap that broke off.
The home's owner was not at home at the time. No one was injured.